Hi friends, I think you are very well still. We going for next lecture learning for PLC 17. PLC the Omron PLC software CX programmer version is 9.5. We will discuss instruction of PLC arithmetic operations like add, subtract, multiplying and divides. We go add without carry, organs and addeds, AUs, organs and ADs, idents, and results words. And next section is subtract, signed by binary added, the process of adding two binary numbers where the most significant bits indicate the sign of the number 0 for positive, 1 for negative. And subtract MI means minds birds and SU subtracts and R is results involving subtracting two binary numbers where the most significant bits represent the sign 0 for positive and 1 for negative. And going for next, multiplying instructions, MDs and MRs and add, multiplicands and multipliers and results words. We showing on practice online through simulations through software. Next is instructions divides 430s and dividends words and the results words. Signed binary dividers, the process of dividing binary numbers that can represent both positives and negative value. We going for next. This 0.04 is inputs and instruction used RSTAs or resets instructions like data register the D100 and startings is births D0 to D1000s. So represent here value is inputs and add births in D100's value and D120 value adds D100 plus D120s is going through 130s and this is the inputs 0.00 behind the inputs is on D100 plus D120s is at a result versus D130s. So we online through practice. So softwares, online simulations, waiting for this simulations is continue. Now the check the first data is D100 is 103 and D120 is 101. So all the resets memory first. Now the all data is 0, 0 and 0. You can see now the reset bits is off. Now again on the 0.00 inputs is on. Now add words is against and addends words is continue and D100's value and plus and D120 and real words are B30s. So we check this inputs and 100s that's 100s and D120 is 200s like 2 you showing this. Now the organs results words is 3 2 2 2 both the adding. Now we going for subtraction. So inputs is first on 0.01s on. Now its inputs is on D145 minds and subtracts words is D40 this value to this value minus and then a result for the D150s. I check D140 is the 200s like 200s enters and D140 is value is 0, so result words is 2 100s, and showing the 100s, now 100s simple calculation for easy and understanding. D145 value is 200, and D1 400 is value is 100 VCD. Binary coded decimals and result finds 100 VCD. Now we going check for next instructions is multiplying. This multiplying factor is the multiplier and result first. So input value is on, then working. Now here's the both of the 0, result versus 0. Here's the 400s, like suppose 400s, 400s means 5. 400s, 400s the multiplicants and multipliers 1, 2. That is 2. It means 4 800s. That is 2. It is 800s. So then is 800s. Now again the divisors inputs is 0.03 on, inputs is 0.03 ons. Now both values 0 and result is also 0. So first is D113 values is thousands. It means thousands. Suppose 1000 enters, and 0 divisors verse is tens, like suppose 10, then value is hundreds, I think. Now value is result verse is 100. I think all instructions you're clear. If you have any questions and need support, then I will support. You can direct to ask me. I will definitely support to you. Thank you.